Get this thing surrounded by coals. For dinner, I thought I'd cook myself a whole chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and spatchcock this bird, which is basically a way of preparing it so it lays down flat. Makes it cook a lot faster. Just cut either side of the spine and take the whole spine out. Some salt and pepper. Let that roast. See how we got flames coming out? Still a lot of steam coming out, but look at that. Look at the flames coming out. Once I consistently see flames coming out of the barrel, then I know it's time to put the lid on. So just keep this fire going all night, and hopefully tomorrow we're gonna have a whole bunch of charcoal.